iOS 26 introduces an amazing new visual feature called Spatial Scenes, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a 3D spatial wallpaper on your iPhone. These wallpapers create a stunning 3D-like effect that responds to the movement of your iPhone, making your lock screen feel much more dynamic. And the best part is that you can create this effect using your own photos. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be bringing you more iOS 26 tips and tutorials. Now, there's one important thing you need to know. Spatial Scenes are available on iPhone 12 and later, running iOS 26. So if you're using an iPhone 12 or newer, you should be able to use this feature. Also, not every photo will work with the 3D effect. Photos with a clear subject and background, good lighting, and a suitable composition usually work best. So let's set one up. First, go to your iPhone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. From here, tap Add New Wallpaper. Now tap Photos. At the top, you'll see different photo categories. Scroll across until you find Spatial Scene. Tap on it, and you'll see photos that can be used to create this 3D effect. Choose the photo you want to use. Your iPhone will now generate the spatial scene. This may take a few seconds while it processes the photo. Once it's finished, you'll be able to preview the effect. If you already have a photo that isn't listed under Spatial Scene, you can also try selecting it manually. If the photo is compatible, you'll see the Spatial Scene button while customizing the wallpaper. Now, once the effect is enabled, move your iPhone from side to side or tilt it slightly. You'll notice the image appears to have more depth, creating that really cool 3D effect. When you're happy with the result, tap Add and then choose whether you want to set it as your wallpaper pair or customize your home screen. One important thing to remember is that the 3D spatial scene effect is displayed on the lock screen, not the home screen. And that's it. You now have a cool 3D spatial wallpaper on your iPhone using one of your own photos. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone and iOS 26 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.